I was diagnosed, I don't even remember the time. I guess my mind can't let me go back there because it was so painful, with trigeminal neuralgia, which is also known as a suicide disease because so many people can't cope with the pain that they actually take their own life. And the pain was excruciating. I had tried everything. I had been back and forth to the Mayo Clinic. I was on, trigeminal neuralgia is not affected by normal pain medications. So I was on 5 anti-seizure meds. The only medicines they can give you are anti-seizure meds for trigeminal neuralgia. And after a while, the meds start to fail. So I was scheduling brain surgery in Philadelphia, where the MVD was perfected. That's one of the surgeries they do to try to get to the root of trigeminal neuralgia, which sometimes the root is hard to find. And so after trying everything, I went through the Trigeminal Neuralgia Support Association and found out that some of the people that had been through brain surgeries and the gamma knife, the new brain surgeries for trigeminal neuralgia, that they actually, after that, it returned. There's no sure bet with that. So then they, as a last resort, they tried some of them upper cervical care. So I was at my wit's end. My pain medicines were failing. The pain was so bad that I couldn't touch my lip with a pill. If it touched my lip, it fired so much electricity, and the TN jolts that you get would just knock me 10 feet back off a chair onto the floor. And I couldn't talk, I couldn't eat, I couldn't touch my face with a Kleenex. And I tried upper cervical. I came in, I was hesitant at first, but I had tried everything. The first time that I tried it, I was like, oh, I hope, I was just praying that something would work for me because I was facing surgery. And within 2 treatments of upper cervical, the doctor started weaning me off of my upper cervical treatments. The doctor started weaning me off of my medication that I'd been on for at least 4 years. And within 6 weeks, I was completely off medications and pain-free. That's been 6 years ago. I haven't had any pain since. I mean, upper cervical care. These doctors, their hands to me are like the hands of skilled surgeons, and they gave me my life back, literally. Upper cervical is a gentle, very precise treatment, and it has always been pain-free. There has never been any popping and cracking. It takes minutes, and it restored my life. I had spent, in my search for a cure for trigeminal neuralgia, or just something to just help alleviate my pain, get me out of my pain. I was to the point where the pain was unbearable and there was no more living with it. I had spent thousands of dollars, trips back and forth to the Mayo Clinic, thousands there. I was facing brain surgery in Philadelphia. That was going to be, I think that was around $30,000 just for the surgery. And the cost was just getting to be unbearable. But you're willing to pay that if you can't get out of, you're having that kind of horrible pain. And so I'd spent thousands and thousands of dollars traveling, trying every kind of treatment that I could try. And when I came to upper cervical, that's another thing that amazed me about it, is that not only was it so simple and so painless and so quick, is that it was so inexpensive. I mean, basically, it's dollars. It's dollars when I come in here. I come in every so often just for a touch-up or a check, just because I feel like life was given back to me, and if I feel just the slightest sensation, whatever, I'm coming to my doctor. And but I got my life back 6 years ago. I've been pain-free. I've been ballroom dancing, and I'm going to dance until I can't dance any longer. So it's just been an amazing story. And I have sent and talked to so many other trigeminal patients and tried to just tell them, please let me give you what knowledge that I have, because I'd gone through all the steps. And this was a lifesaver for me, and so I share it every chance that I can with other TN patients.